Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Thabo wa Zimbabwe.
Yes, Stilo. Me, I knew very well. Yes. She was beaten fast. She will never recover. And I know we did not beat those ones only.
Yes.
Even Mngqithi, Mngqithi is not involved and nothing with anything.
Yes.
That one, she's chasing us.
Yes.
Just Manqoba Mngqithi. Stilo, today I don't have any words.
Yes.
Look at this.
Look. Oh. Yes. Me and you.
Fast.
Yes.
She will never recover.
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
How?
Kaizer Chiefs. But it's your umbrella.
Oh, what is it that?
Kaizer Chiefs.
What is the Kaizer Chiefs?
The team from
Which one? What is it? Where are they playing? Where are they playing?
Pathway Premier.
No, I tried to search them on the table. I couldn't find them. Where are they?
Yes.
Go and look for them, Steve.
Are they not in Cali?
No.